All right, eighth period. Okay, so this is worksheet number 2. We're going to practice some specific heat problems. I hope all of you are having a great day over there in your houses. Hope you guys are being safe. So today, again, like we said, we're going to do specific heat. And for question number 1, we're dealing with copper. So copper has a specific heat capacity of 0.39 joules for every 1 gram and 1 degree Celsius. That information is right there. All right, so the problem is going to give us a 50-gram block of copper is heated using 400 joules of energy. How much will the temperature change? Well, the first thing they ask you to do is remind you what heat capacity is. So this number specifically means that it takes 0.39 joules of energy to raise 1 gram of copper up 1 degree Celsius. I went ahead and I wrote this right here. So you guys can copy that onto your assignment as well. So once we have that information, we're going to just set up the problem using the information and proportions that the problem gives us. So this unit right here, this joules per gram degree Celsius, is going to give us the idea of what units we need on our proportion. So it's joules over grams degrees Celsius. We're always going to start with the information that they give us, and if they give us the specific heat, we're going to write that right there. So for here, we're going to write 0.39 joules for 1 gram, 1 degree Celsius. Pretty easy. All right, so the other thing, remember, units always stay the same, so we're going to have grams and degrees Celsius on the other side as well, and we're going to use information from the problem. So we have 50 grams. 50 grams goes here. 50-gram block of copper is heated using 400 joules of energy. 400 joules of energy goes up here, and the question asks, what is the temperature change? So our x is going to go right here. All right, so now we have to do our cross multiplication. So we're going to do the first one together, super easy. 400 times 1 times 1 gets us 400. Okay, and then we're going to have to take 0.39 times 50. And that's going to give us about, stop me if I'm wrong, about 19.5. And then, of course, we have to multiply that by x. Then it's as simple as finding getting the variable by itself. So we have to divide both sides by 19.5. So x is going to equal around 20 degrees Celsius. So the temperature change was 20 degrees Celsius. Now I just want to briefly look at the second problem, because the second problem is the weird kind where we're asking for specific heat. So when you set up your proportion, you're going to put your x on this joule, okay? So x joules, 1, 1. And then we're going to set that equal to all the other pieces of the information that the problem gives us. I'm going to stop right there and let you guys figure that out. Please message me via Schoology with any questions, and hopefully everything will be great. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.